In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a link to a button in Brevo. To begin, sign into your Brevo account and head to the main navigation. From there, click Marketing, and then select Campaigns Email. This is where Brevo stores your email campaigns, including drafts and previously created emails. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the email campaigns area is helpful because Brevo also has other marketing tools that look similar. Next, choose the campaign you want to edit. Locate the pencil icon next to that campaign and click it. The pencil icon is Brevo's shortcut for editing, so if you see multiple icons, make sure you select the one that indicates you can modify the campaign content rather than viewing reports or duplicating. Once the campaign opens, click Edit Design. This takes you into the email editor, where you can update text, images, and buttons. Give the editor a second to load fully so the toolbar and content blocks appear correctly. Now find the button you want to link or the text that should become clickable. If you are working with a button, click directly on the button so it is selected. If you are linking plain text instead, highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. Being precise here matters because only the selected button or the highlighted text will receive the link. With your button selected or your text highlighted, go up to the toolbar and click the link icon, which looks like a small chain. This opens the link settings where you can define the destination. Paste the full URL into the field provided. Make sure it is the complete link you want people to visit, including the correct beginning, such as the secure version if that is what your site uses. A clean, correct URL prevents broken links and improves the experience for anyone clicking from an email. Finally, click Insert to apply the link. After that, you can click away from the element to confirm it remains selected properly, and you should see that the button or text is now linked. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.